Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is May 9, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis, to where we're here to give you all the news according to the charts, unbiased. And this is one of the situations that I'm about to show you right now, to where we said that Litecoin is going to continue to move to the downside. So this is just to show you all that we're a channel that is not here to give you no frills, no jargon, no excitement, no fluff, nothing of that nature. We're simply here reporting the news according to the charts, giving you all advance notice of what we expect to occur in this space. And if you guys are not getting that, then you're simply missing out. That's all I had to tell you. So on the right side of the screen, you guys can see that we posted this video May 8th at 4:32 p.m. And this was our analysis for Litecoin. Here on the right side, this is what is currently happening in the market for Litecoin. I want you all to pay attention and listen to what we stated for our analysis for Litecoin yesterday versus what occurred in the market right now. So now I'm looking at Litecoin. Litecoin currently is down 2%. Last trade was 17,230 Satoshis. And we did get that probable precursors of strength yesterday in the market. And we moved higher early out in trading, but definitely, man, there's a lot of weakness in Litecoin once again. A lot of volume is coming in, more than what we saw yesterday. So the outlook for Litecoin moving higher is not panning out a way that a lot of people probably planned it to occur. Okay, so even looking on the 3-hour bars, this was a probable precursor of strength. We did close higher, but more stockpile came into the market, and now we're moving lower once again, and more volume is coming into the space. So if we break this 17,200 Satoshi area, Litecoin definitely will continue to move to the downside. Let's move to a 1-hour bar to see what exactly is occurring in the space. Okay. So we came and hit that 17,200 Satoshi area 3 times, right? First time we was able to recover quite well and come all the way back up to 17,006. But again, there's still no interest in higher prices in Litecoin at this time. Our analysis is for them to continue to move to the downside. And now that next support area could possibly be, let me see, I'm gonna move to a smaller time frame. The next support area for Litecoin can definitely come towards 17,000 even. It might even come to, 17,100 to 17,000 even could be the next support area for Litecoin. Okay. I'm still seeing weakness in the space. Our analysis is for them to continue to move lower. So there you go. You all can see here on the left side of the screen, this is Litecoin paired against Bitcoin. And on the daily price chart, you all can see that definitely weakness is still apparent in the space. That's why we have already foreseen or was able to predict with a high precision that Litecoin is going to continue to move to the downside. And that's exactly what occurred in this space. And if you all are missing this particular type of analysis, then you need to come a member of ours on our HueFin News Patreon page. This is where all the action is being taken place. If you want to have a foreknowledge or a prediction or even a forecast of where these cryptocurrencies are likely to move, then you have to become a member of ours. We're the only one in this space that is able to give you this type of analysis, so you are able to prepare yourself for the likely movement of where these cryptocurrencies are going to go. That's how you become more profitable in this market, is by placing yourself already in the trade before the move actually occurs. And there's no one else doing that, only us. And you're definitely missing out on some major profits, some major gains on a daily basis. And not only that, we're saving our members opportunities from when we expect the market to move lower, so they can position themselves on when to get out their certain trades. So we do it both ways. We're not just here to tell you, oh, one of these cryptocurrencies are going to move to the upside. No, we're also going to give you the other side of the coin as well. When we expect the market to move to the downside, we will tell you that as well. So if you're not a member of ours, then you need to become one as soon as possible. What are you waiting for? This is the only place that you're going to get this information. $3 a month. That's only like 10 cents a day. You guys could have access to our forecast. So now, before I go, I want to give you one more analysis for Bitcoin. This is going to be Bitcoin paired against the USD. And we're going to go ahead and look at it on the daily price chart. So again, you can see that we got some strength coming in the market for Bitcoin. They're up 0.39%. The last trade was $9,278.70. Let's quick look at the 3-hour bars. So again, you can see the weakness coming into the space. Market tried to come up to $9,400. Got a little weakness coming in right now. We definitely had to stay above 92.80. Okay, we can stay above 92.80 at the conclusion of this 3-hour bar. Then there's still some strength in this space, and we would expect that same consolidation, just like what we saw here before the market took another dip. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for in the short term for Bitcoin, is that sideways consolidation to continue just like it did here in this particular background. But before we do, we definitely got to get rid of all this weakness and stockpile that is in the market right now. So we might actually come back down to 92.40 or even $9,200 throughout trading tomorrow. But again, I'm definitely seeing the market relieving itself from moving to the downside. I'm gonna go ahead and draw this one line that I'm gonna let you all go. So you can see that we've been maintaining this, been making higher lows in this space for Bitcoin. Okay, so that's another positive thing that is pretty good for Bitcoin. Okay, so that simply means that we're making higher lows. If we can maintain this, then we're going to come back up to that $10,000 price area in the future. But right now, expecting more sideways consolidation, expecting us to move back down to the downside like 9,200. But overall, I'm still looking for Bitcoin to continue its consolidation and movement back up to the upside. But that $9,400 is a major area of resistance. So as we continue to come back up to that price, you have to be cautious to see whether or not we will move to the downside. But like I told you all, we're the only ones to give you this type of information, and you definitely need to have this type of knowledge in your repertoire when you are a trader in the cryptocurrency space, especially one that's unregulated. So we look forward to seeing you all there at our HueFin News Patreon page. That's all I got for today. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all.